Yeah, you are listening to Independent TV 7. Governor of Edo State, Governor Obaseki, has warned that any Edo citizen involved in the coronation of the Sultan of Shua will be banished, and Governor Obaseki has rejected the plan of Sultan of Shua coronation in Arab Edo. Obaseki assured citizens that firm and decisive action will be taken to prevent the actualization of the illegal and sacrilegious installation of the Sultan. Edo State Governor Obaseki on Thursday rejected the planned coronation of Idris Adano as the Sultan of Shua Arab of Edo State. It was gathered that the Shua Arabs ethnic group from Borno State is set to install Idris Adano as the Sultan of Shua Arab of the entire Edo State. The coronation ceremony is slated to hold on Saturday, 21 August at Rialto Hotel, Enya in Benin City, owned by a duke in Benin Kingdom, Osazua Idrisu, the Enoge of Enya. Many prominent Edo indigenes have kicked against the planned coronation of a sultan within the kingdom, vowing that they will never allow such nonsense. Yes, in today's article, I would like us to argue a little, and I have a female correspondent here. I would like her to just give us her own side of the story. Madam, yeah, I would like you to talk a little about, this coronation. How do you perceive it?
Like, seriously, where is this ever done? How can you leave your own land and come to someone else's land to come there and claim the land? That is what they're trying to do, because if they are trying to install a sultan in another man's land, then definitely that's what they're trying to do. They're trying to take over the land.
Wow, that's good. That's good from one of our correspondents. Yes, that is not too right, because they can't accept such in their own clan or in their own region, because they want to breach the peace that they have with Edo people. Meanwhile, in Edo State, we know that how much they value coronation, how much they value their tradition, because from one clan or the other in the Edo State, either in the Benin region, you will see about 5 obas or the subsidiary of obas. And why would they allow a sultan or a sultan? Yes, the sultan simply means like an oba or emir, that is coming to rival with them. Well, to continue, Governor Obaseki also condemned the move in very strong terms, following outrage among residents who described the plan to install a northern sultan in Edo as an evil act. Obaseki rejects Sultan of Shua Arab in Edo. A statement issued by the secretary to the Edo State government, Osarodion Oge Esquire, described the purported move as sacrilegious and a threat to peace and security in the state. The government assured citizens that firm and decisive actions will be taken to prevent the actualization of the illegal and sacrilegious installation of the Sultan. The Edo State government has been inundated with complaints from indigenes and residents of the state over the purported move to embark on the coronation of one Idris Adano as Sultan of Shua Arab of Edo State. The Edo State government wishes to state as follows: that whether or not this event is held at the said or any other location within the state, it would constitute a direct assault on the traditions, the customs and culture of the people of Edo State by individuals who clearly have sinister motives and are trying to abuse the well-known Edo hospitality by their act of sacrilege. That it is a potential threat to the peace and security of Edo State with the capacity to cause a breakdown of law and order, as citizens of the state are likely to be provoked by the obnoxious ceremony. Under the Edo State traditional rulers and chief law, it is an offense for anyone to proclaim himself or allow himself to be proclaimed as the holder of any traditional title not recognized under the said law and or without the approval of the appropriate authorities. The state government hereby wishes to assure all concerned that firm and decisive action will be taken to prevent the actualization of these illegal and sacrilegious acts, and that all persons found to have been involved in the consumption or execution would face the full wrath of the law. The Edo State government therefore calls on all citizens to be calm, law-abiding, and rest assured that government is firmly on top of the situation. Can you hear this? Well, I like the move by these Edo State governors. As it is, even Edo is a traditional clan and region. You know how they cherish their Oba. So somebody should just come from nowhere and start, being a rival or creating a rivalry position with Oba of Benin. Don't you think that is an insult upon the people of Edo State? You know how they cherish their Oba. Yes, the Edo people in diaspora, the Edo people in Italy, in Afghanistan, in wherever, or in the US, in UK, wherever you are, I would like you to, quickly, surmount your anger and your curiosity on this news. And for those that are from Edo State rather, that you think they need to know about this revelation, you kindly share this news so that they will be aware, because now the agenda of these northern people is becoming very obvious. Nnamdi Kanu has said it, that the government of Buhari, as it is, is planning all its possible best to make sure they Fulanize or Islamize the country. Now, the Sharia law that is being embedded in the northern part of the country, you think it's only northern part the Sharia law is working. We are no longer using the 1999 constitution as embedded, which is the true federalism. It is the Sharia law we are using. Don't be deceived. Like one the elite in southern region of Nigeria, say for those that think Sharia law or they want to Islamize the country, say it's a blasphemy. You are deceiving yourself. Islamization is taking place already, because they believe they are all Muslims, and for the Southerners are infidel. Now you are now coming to someone's land and you are telling me, because I believe you have called them infidel, so you want to dine with the infidel, which are the sinners, because you according to you says the Southerners or the Christians that dominated the Southerners are the ones opening their eyes in the north, that Western education is prohibited. That's the meaning of Boko Haram. Boko means Western education, and the Haram means sin. Western education is a sin to them in the north. Instead, you need to embrace Islam or jihadism. That's what I want to say. That you need to embrace Islam, and the Islam they are, practicing. I don't really understand how they practice their so-called Islam. They kill, they maim, they kidnap, and they do all sorts. Their plan and agenda. Well, I believe Borno State is a big place for a Sultan of Shua to be coronated, while extending to the southern region. What is their mission? What are they looking for? As far as Edo State is concerned, that's a wrong place for a sultan to go and coronate himself, because Edo people really, believe and really, worship their Oba, because they are neither Christians nor Muslims, but majorly they practice their tradition. So for you to come to Edo State, come and create a rivalry position with Oba of Benin, that is sacrilegious, according to the governor of Edo State, Governor Obaseki Godwin. Well, I'll leave you in the hands of the comment section. I would like you to share your views. Thank you for listening, and God bless you.